Hello everyone, Mr. Tech Tuner is here. So today we're going to discuss about the Autodesk Certified Professional AutoCAD for Design and Drafting Exam Preparation. Okay, so basically we're going to start with week one. So in week one, we can see there's a course overview, and the main thing is you need to give a pre-assessment examination. So we're going to talk about the pre-assessment at first. So there are 46 questions, and you need to get at least 80% or higher for passing the exam. And there's 46 questions, and they are really hard for you at the very beginning, because if you are very new to this Autodesk AutoCAD, so it will be hard for you. So I will prefer not to be afraid of this exam. Just give it, and whatever mark you get, and then after completing the whole course, you can again give this exam. Okay, so first question of the quizzes or assessment test is: polygons can be circumscribed or inscribed about a circle. To complete the command, you need to specify the dash of a circle, the radius. Okay, circumference and circumscribed, they are referred to one another, so you need to mark this radius, and then select the object which cannot be converted into a region. If you use your common sense, you can answer this question. We can ellipse can convert a region or make a region. Polygon can, circle can, but a line, it cannot convert or make a region. Okay. Number three, an X line is infinite in two directions. Okay, so both this direction and this direction. Okay. The command used to place a multi-line is called M line. Okay, so the next question: to represent a circular hole in a 2D isometric view, which command do you use? It will be used ellipse, and in ellipse you should select isocircle. Okay, so first ellipse will be your answer. Select the property which cannot be used by select similar command. This will be your scale. Okay, scale is the property that cannot be used by select similar command. And which icon is used to isolate or hide objects? This will be A, not B. Okay. What are the draw order options available for modify from the modify panel on the ribbon, and select all that apply? Okay, so if you go to the draw order option, then you will find bring dimensions to front, bring text to front, bring letters to front, and bring hedges to back, but not front. So all the three will be answered, but not this one. Okay, so you want to use match properties to change all the text to use same text and style and layer. Which area do you select? Select all that apply. Okay, so you see there's a basic properties, a spatial properties. So spatial properties: dimension, text, and color layer. Okay, so you want to match properties to change all the text in same text style and layer. So what you should select of this A, B, C, D? You should select the layer. Okay, so as you want to change the style and layer, so the answer will be only layer in basic properties. Okay, so dash is a snapshot of existing layers and layer setting at the time it is created. It will be layer state. Okay. So select the letter of the correct tool used to initiate and the layer walk command. Okay, so you see there's layer properties, markups, put then. So layer properties, markups, floor plan. Okay, so the answer will be floor plan. Okay, if you want to initiate the layer walk command, this is the layer walk. You see there is a footstep sign over there. When you use the merge tool or lay mark, you can transfer the objects on one or more layers into the target layer. To create a dashed line that precisely connects two-point objects, which object snap should you use? I need to use node. To move several objects, you enter move and select a line, a circle, an arc, and a text object in that order. At the next, select objects prompt, you enter U. What does this do? It removes the text from the selection set. To create filters without trimming the corner, which options do you select? I should select no trim. Okay, so next, there are several blocks named K1054 in your current drawing. If you create a new block, what is the same name but a different appearance? What it would be? The existing block will update for a new block definition. You need to move existing circle to a new location. That's half the total length and half width, x. What is the fastest way to locate the second point, the new center of the circle? Also, you need to use the meet between 2 points or meet to object snap. Select the area on the ribbon to access preset orientations for different user coordinate systems. Okay, so we need to go for world, and the option is C. You can move the origin of UCS using grips. Yes, I can. By default, the UCS and WCS are aligned. You want to rotate the chair on the left. It looks like the chair is on the right, parallel to the desk, right, like this. Okay, so pick the point on the chair that you should be used at the base point. A, B, C, D. Which should you move? You need to move D. If you move D in forward, then it will be like this, aligned. Okay, so the answer will be D. An array is used to place multiple instances of same objects at set distances. Okay, so multiple same instances of same objects at set distances. This will be your answer. What does the layer option of the offset command control? Okay, so controls the layer where the offset object is placed. Which object are you able to add vertex or remove them from? Which objects are you able to add vertex to or remove them from? These are polyline. Okay. To convert the line segment of a polyline into an arc, put the steps in correct order. Okay, so first you need to select the polyline that you should edit, and then select the mid grip of this line segment, and then right click and select convert to arc. After you select the vertex of a 6-sided polygon, what multi-grip options are available? You should add vertex, you should stretch, and then remove vertex. To create a corner between two perpendicular lines, select the filter command and select one line and press hold the shift key and then select the second. You are looking at the layout in a paper space. How do you add a custom scale to the scale list? You should use scale list edit. That's the option you should edit. Okay, so to rotate a viewpoint, use the rotate command. The two types of plot styles are available. They're color dependent and named plot style tables actually. Okay, so what is the command to save files or objects in a drawing or an STL format? This will be export. Items displayed in red by the drawing compare tool are not in the running or current drawing. Okay, bounded hatches are automatically associated. Yes, exactly true. If you do not assign a text height to a text style, it will be prompted for the text height every time you create the text. When a field is inserted into text, it uses same text style as the text object. If the spell check tool can't provide a correct spelling for a word, you can type it in the correction. You can create dimension style and then place some dimensions. You then modify the dimensions style. Any dimensions using the dimension style will automatically update. Yes, exactly true. You are working in a drawing. You select the bottom grip of a dimension shown and move the extension line to the left. How does this affect the selected dimension? The dimension line adjusts to the new location and the dimension values updates. Okay. Use the dim break tool to create dimension breaks shown that controls the amount of cap filled. Okay, so the option will be the dimension style. That's the dimension style. Okay, dim break, so it will be a dimension style. How do you identify the annotative scale of a text object? Select the object and right click and select properties. How do you change the annotative scale of a viewpoint? Select the viewpoint, right click and select properties. You create a block and place it in your drawing. You modify the block using the block editor tool and save the changes. What happens to the blocks already placed in your drawing? The blocks automatically updated. The blocks attribute manager or Batman allows you to change all of the following except the transparency value for the attributes. Which of the following can hyperlink or link to? Okay, so layout tabs in your drawing, layout inside views inside your drawing, and an existing file or web page, but not a kind of software. What does a group manager allow you to do? It will allow you to change a group name, create a group name, and to modify a group. Okay, so you select objects in drawing A. You then right click and select the copy with the base point. So you specify a base point, you switch to drawing B. You can right click and select paste as block. What is the result? The selected elements are placed in an unnamed block. Okay, so that's all you need from week 1 pre-assessment. But now we are going to the final quiz of week 1. There is a practice exercise. You can do this. So challenge exercise also. So but we are going to the assessment of quiz. Okay, so in quiz, the first question: which of the following is an option when creating a polypipeline or polyline? This will be arc, undo, and length. To represent a circular hole in 2D isometric view, use the isocircle option in ellipse command. Okay. When objects are isolated, all other layers are turned off. Pause. When placing a sketch on a construction plan, which plane is used? The XY plane. After you select the endpoint of an arc, the multi-grip options are available to stretch and lengthen. So that's all. So now we are going to week 2. So there's a week 2. There's so much video, you can watch this, but I don't watch them because I already know them. So direct go to the week 2 quiz. So first quiz: the two types of plot styles are available. They're color dependent and named. The multi-layer styles can be defined using several different blocks, and these blocks styles are not available in rectangle. Okay. Number 3, you can use object snaps or external references. Yes, true. The recreate tool or the hatch editor ribbon creates a new boundary around the existing hatch, which is not an option using the group manager. Delete a group. This option is not available. So okay, I know that you are thinking that you know most of the answers as you already went through the pre-assessment. Okay, so now we are going to final assessment. Here you will get the final assessment, the course assessment also. So now you will know most of the answers because you already went through the pre-assessment and different quizzes. So I think this course assessment will be very easy to you. Okay, so first question, polygons can be circumscribed or inscribed about a circle about the radius. The first question, same as that. Okay, then select the object which cannot be converted, line, same. An X line has two directions, same. The command used to place a multi-line M line. Okay, select the area to allow. Okay, so we select to filter for line objects in drawing, and it will be there's three or four options: object type, and properties, and the value, and append to current selection. Which will be your option? Your option will be the first one, the object type. Okay. A. Okay, number 6, select the property which cannot be selected by select similar. I told you before, scale. Which icon is used to isolate or hide objects here? A, B, C, D. It will be C. Okay, C is the option for organize or hide objects. What are the drawbar options available from the modify panel on the ribbon? Okay, bring the dimensions front, bring the text front, bring the leaders to front, not the head. Okay, so how do you remove object from a selection set? Press and hold the shift key and then select the object set should be removed. Question number 10. A layer state is like a snapshot of the existing layers and layer setting at the time it is created. You want to change the color of the markup layer in the current viewport only using a layer override. Select the letter of the correct control to use. Okay, so D, A color, B, VP color, and C markup. So which will be your answer? Your answer will be VP color because this color will override on the layer. Okay. Select the letter of the correct tool for applying oblique option to a dimension. A, B, C, D. The option will be B. This is called oblique. You know, signs are this sign. Your common sense will say these are oblique, right? To create a same question, to create a dash line of precisely connects 2 points, we should use node. Okay, so to insert a special character from a character map into a text object, which area do you select? Symbol, close text editor, degrees, plus, minus, or diameters, or others. The option will be symbol from special for a special character. They're in symbol. After carefully selecting 20 objects, you realize that you selected an one in error. What's the best solution? Press and hold shift button and select the object that you want to deselect. There are several blocks named K1054 in your current drawing. If you create a new block, the same name with a different appearance, what it would be? The existing block updated to a new block definition. Okay, same question again. You need to move existing circle, so the answer will be meet to. And that's the new question. The area on the ribbon to access preset orientations for different user coordinate systems. So there is the options A, B, C, D, world coordinates. The answer will be C, the world. Okay, same question. The place taken in sketch. This will be on XY plane, and select the method that is which will align the UCS with WCS. UCS world. You want to rotate the chair, again click on D point. The array is used for to place multiple instances of the same objects at a set distance. What layer option of the offset command controls the layer where the offset object is placed. You want to adjust the position of a point of this SP line using the multifunctional grip. Which option should be selected? Stretch fit point. To convert a line segment of a polyline arc, then you should select this one, like the before, converting to arc. And after you select the vertex of six-sided polygon, what multi options are available? Remove vertex, stretch, and vertex. The page setup allows you to select all of the following except the plot scale. Okay, so this will be the plot scale. I selected the wrong one. This answer will be the scale edit list, and use this command of application to menu to publish one or more drawing to plotter printer WDF or PDF. This will be print to batch plot. Select the menu item that is used to create an transmittal package. Okay, so export, publish, print, drawing utilities. They will be published. Select the area on the dialog where you can view the files to be included in your transmittal package. A, B, C, D. The answer will be A in your current drawing page. Items displayed in red are not in current drawing. The recreate tool on hatch editor ribbon allows you to select new boundaries for existing hatch. Sorry, there's a wrong answer. Okay, so the correct answer will be create a new boundary around the existing hatch. Okay, so when defining a table and style, you can control each cell style. Each cell style stores setting for text styles, background fields, and cell borders. When a field is inserted into a text, it uses the same text style as the text object. If you add a letter to an existing multi-leader, select the existing leader and select the grip and hold the control key to drag to the new location. If you align multi-leader using parallel option, the leaders are automatically adjusted to become parallel. To ensure dimensions are always placed on the correct layer, you can specify which layer to be used by selecting in this area A, B, C, or D. The answer will be use current. C. How do you maintain consistent spacing between dimensions? Use the dim space tool. Okay. So next question: if a scale is not assigned to the annotation object, but it is used in a viewpoint, the annotation object is not displayed. How do you change the annotative scale? Okay, so annotative skill of a viewpoint. Select the viewpoint, right click, and select the properties. To add annotation skills to an annotative object, place the steps in order of execution. This will be TBACE. Okay, you should check this out. The block attribute manager Batman transparency value for the attribute. The layers named for an external reference are changed in the external reference is inserted into the host. Our drawing as bind. This will be SOS or $sign or dollar character to place the bar symbol. You have a drawing with several books in it. You want to create two palettes with the books in drawings. What is the fastest and easiest way to using Autodesk Design Center or ADC? Launch the Design Center, locate the drawings, set the block folders, and right click on Create Tool Palette. And the last question of this final course assessment is you select the drawing objects A and then right click on select the base point and specify the base point. So the answer will be you should select elements are placed as an unnamed block. So that's all. Hope you already passed the course with more than 90% marks, and hope to see you in our next courses solutions. And till then, stay safe and don't forget to like and hit the like button and subscribe, and you can also press the bell button for the latest update. And thank you.